Example 2. A painter of mass M stands on a crate of a mass m and pulls himself up by two ropes which hang over pulley as shown. He pulls each rope with a force F and moves upward with a uniform acceleration A. Find A. Neglect the fact that no one could do this for a long time. In the diagram given, so consider the man applies F force on each rope downward direction. Therefore, ropes also apply an equal force on him in the upward direction, and his own weight will act downward direction. Since there is a contact between crate and the man, so crate will apply normal force upward direction. Since the ropes are connected to the crate, even the rope which connect to the crate also will apply F force in the upward direction. So for the man, if we write the free body diagram, the two ropes will apply F and F in the upward direction, and normal is in the upward direction, his own weight is in downward direction, and the whole system is moving upward with acceleration A. Therefore we can write 2F plus normal minus capital Mg will give capital Ma. So let it be equation 1. For crate, the free body diagram will be, since the man apply F force on the rope downward direction, therefore the ropes also will apply upward direction on the crate F and F, and crate's own weight small mg will act downward direction, and since crate applies normal force on the man N, therefore man also apply on the crate same normal force. So therefore what we can write, 2F minus N minus small mg will give small ma. So by simplifying equation 1 and 2, what we get? Plus n and minus n get cancelled. So 4F minus capital Mg minus small mg is equal to capital M plus small m times A. Therefore acceleration of the system will be 4F minus capital M plus small m into G by capital M plus small m. So this is the acceleration of the system.